morning to everybody. I will show the crackers. Today I bought some crackers for bursting tomorrow. I will show first pop pencil. It's 10 centimeter. Its cost is 40 rupees. Next BGD. One is 30 rupees. Next is 60 rupees. Two I got 60 rupees. Next butterscotch. It had 5 pieces. It cost is only 80 rupees. It's Lakshmi crackers rupees 48 rupees. Next brown sugar. Its cost is 25. Next brown sugar big. It cost is 90 rupees. Next mercury torch. It cost is 60 rupees. Next color coating. It come different colors and it take many time to complete. It cost is 140 rupees. Next magical peacock gold. Its function is here we can fire the matchstick and keep like this means 3 side like peacock feather it will come. Next one wait. Next one 1000 wala. It is 270 rupees. Next radiant flower pot. It cost is 100 rupees. Next Jallikattu Deluxe. It had 10 pieces. One is 40. 10 is 400 rupees. Next Kuruvi cracker. It had 25 rupees. It cost is 250 rupees. Next flower pot deluxe. It cost is 130 rupees. Next sparkles. This is the electric sparkles rupees 100 rupees. One is 50 rupees. It is 30 centimeter to 80 rupees. This is only my mother's favorite. Mother don't like to burst the cracker. She is only burst the sparkles.